Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download Forex systems, Forex robots, Forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the Forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. In this video we are going to look at this particular indicator, this nifty nice indicator that I always use. Somebody asked about it. It's a free indicator actually that you can get online, but for your convenience I'll actually post it on the blog. So visit the blog and you can download it. It's a free indicator. Don't let anybody sell it to you. I know these clever people who actually try to sell you this thing. It's a free indicator. You can actually go and get it from the website of the person who developed it, or for your convenience you can download it from the blogs. Okay, so it's actually called FXSSI, round levels. Did you get that? FXSSI, round levels. Like I said, if you didn't get that or for any reason, I'll actually link it in the description box below and you can download it. It works on MetaTrader 4. I'm not sure if they have developed the MetaTrader 5 one yet. They might be in the process, but as the name suggests, it plots round levels on your charts. My strategy, if you have been following me, my strategy is generally around trading supply and demand, support and resistance. So a tool like this saves me time. I don't always have to plot new support and resistances or supply and demand and what you can, well, whatever you can think of. I don't have to plot all those things manually every time. So that's the convenience of this indicator. Why round levels? Basically you can set it to trade round levels, also halves and quarters. You can see there, you can trade, you can set it to plot figures, halves and quarters. Figures, halves and quarters. So the figures will be like your 1000, your 2000, 5000. Then the halves will then become the 500 1,500, 2,500, 3,500, or stuff like that. And the quarters certainly become the 250, 750, 1,250, 1,750, and goes on and on. You can actually disable that. You might want to have here, it says because I'm plotting all the levels. You might actually only want to plot only the round levels, like that, something like that. Let's go to USD CHF. Maybe you just want to plot the round levels. You don't care about anything else. You just want the round levels. So that's what it looks like. Or maybe you might want to plot the round levels with the halves. So you come to draw levels here. You come to draw levels and the figures and halves. Then you actually have the figures and the halves, you see. Or you can actually plot all. It depends on your taste. It depends on your taste. You can play or plot all, like that. So it's actually a handy indicator for my kind of trading, and I think you can actually also use it as a basis for your own trading strategy. Why? Because these round levels that we are talking about, they are actually traded. They are critical points. They call them psychological points. They call them psychological points because they are critical in trading. But again, it depends on the type of trading that you do. Some people say this kind of trading is very limiting. For some people, it's very limiting. They don't like to have lines on their charts because they say it's limiting. This is not an indicator. This is a tool. There are differences. A tool because it just plots round levels, halves, and quarters. It's not an indicator that will show you where the price will bounce from here, or it's going to break through, or anything like that, like your MACDs, your RSIs, your stochastics, and all those moving averages and things like that. This you can just use to know where psychological levels might be. Why do we call them psychological levels? For example, here 100, we have 200 there, we have is it 115 or 110 there, something like that. What we have observed, even you can observe on this chart, chart. If you are just looking at this chart, what you can observe is somehow people respect these round levels. Why? Because let's say you have $1 billion, you want to move $1 billion. Are you going to buy a pair? This is USD JPY. Are you going to buy a USD JPY at some random 105.834, or you are going to buy at 104.900? What are you going to do? Are you going to buy at some random 107.639, or you are going to buy at 100, or at 120, or at 110? Think about it. So that's how these psychological levels work, how they actually work. The thinking is, if you've got a lot of money to move, you are certainly going to just wait for the round levels. You are not going to buy at some funny price point, but you're actually going to buy at major points in price, which are the round levels. So that's how basically the round levels tool works. I don't know if it's going to improve your trading, if it's going to help in your trading. Like I said, you might be trading a different kind of strategy to what I trade. I trade mostly trade support and resistance backed by supply and demand. So this is a good indicator for me. I don't have to always plot levels. But for some people, they don't want to see these lines. So this indicator tool is not for them, but I already showed you. You can actually go to draw levels in the settings. And you can actually set the amount of lines that you want on your chart, or you can basically just set it to the major psychological levels. Or if you are like another person that I know, you can get rid of it. It's all up to you. It depends on how you trade the market. Okay, like this video, that's the only thing you ever do for me. I will not ask you to pay for anything. You do not pay for this. Even for this indicator, don't let anybody sell it to you. It's for free online. If you cannot find it online, there is a link in the description box below. Just get it from the blogs. Don't pay for these things. Until next time, bye.